Hello guys, good morning. So today I'm going to show you how to run your first Java program. But first we need to do a little bit of preparation. So as a Java programmer, I think you need two programs. One is NetBeans. By the way, there are many programs that you can use such as Eclipse and IntelliJ and others, but we will use NetBeans. Then after that, you need the Java Development Kit or JDK, and they have different release. So first, let's download the NetBeans. Then after that, we will download the Java Development Kit. Okay, so I'm using Windows 10, and this tutorial will be for Windows operating system. So basically, I will just copy this, and I will come up here to Google. I'll write NetBeans download. Okay, I will go to Apache NetBeans release, click into that, then you will have many here release. You'll go to Apache 13, okay, click. You'll have many for a different operating system. So for me, I'm using Windows, so I'll click into this. If you are using Linux or Macintosh, you have the link here actually. So I will go to Windows, I'll click into that. You'll get lots of links. I will choose the first one, yeah? And in here, your Apache NetBeans will be downloaded, okay? Once it's done, if you have already JDK, you can proceed with the download. If not, you need the JDK. So you need the JDK, copy this. Again, I'll go to Google. I need JDK download. Okay, go to Oracle website, and this is the release. The latest release is JDK 18. Okay, and 17 right now. So choose your operating system from here. So mine is Windows. I will download the 64 installer. So I will click into that. All right. So now let's go step by step. First, I need to install the JDK. Then after that, then it means Apache. So double click into this. It will ask you for authentication. So I give it a permission already. So it'll take a bit of time. Okay. It says here the software has already installed. Would you like to install it? No, say yes, no harm. So we'll go again. So automatically applications installs. Said okay. Because I have this already, so it gives me this option. If it's not, you do not do this, so you have to go with the default links. Okay. Dated, downloaded, everything is in place. Okay. Done. Go to the Apache NetBeans, click into that. We'll ask for permission, system permission. So we'll give it a permission. Okay, go ahead. Now because we have the JDK, we will just proceed. Okay. Welcome to the Apache. Say all the available commits already installed. So you just need to go next. Okay, that's what you need to do. You don't need to do anything else. Just use the default because I have it already. So I'm going to cancel it. Then I will see. Actually, I have this already in my desktop, which is the short icon here. You double click into that. So you will have the NetBeans already installed here. Okay, so this is the main interface of the NetBeans. So if you want to create a new project, you just come and write a new project. Okay, you'll have many actually. We will use Java with and I need simple Java applications. Once you click into this, so I'll ask you, what do you want to name it? So for example, I will name it first Java program. It's going to be in here, right? And this is the name of the class. Once you finish, it will try to create for you everything. So now I have the class, first Java program. I have the main function. Okay. So just I need to print just a few words here. So will come up system dot out dot print line. Okay. I will open the parenthesis and inside I have double quotes. Then I will write hello everyone. This is our first Java program. Okay, I think I'm good to go. And I will come up here and I'll try to compile. Of course, it will debug and compile and check. So you see this program is built successfully. Okay, and this is what I want to print. And there you go. This is your first Java